I'm gonna import a PowerPoint because our buddy's having a problem with this import. Let's see what it does. Maybe there's a challenge with it. So I'm gonna go to import. I'm gonna go to PowerPoint, and I'm gonna go to downloads, and it's gonna probably be way down somewhere. Here's one here. So I'll select that and just say open. It says it's importing. It came in, so it should do that, right? Did yours do that one? Let's see here. Johnson, you were having an issue. Johnson, let me know. Did yours open up like that? And let me see where it went. Let me see where it goes. Not in converted. It actually went into my songs category. So it just went into whatever current category I had. So I apologize. I told you wrong. It goes into whatever category you have selected. So I have a songs category selected. So check your categories down here. Okay, I've got a bunch of them. You won't have as many most likely, but there's the market takeover challenge that I imported here. And there's my PowerPoint. And I just import it. All right. And so I can hit this little edit button and I can see the different parts. I can select these parts and edit them in the program. Really simple and easy. So that's how simple it should be.